Hello and welcome to Fit Be Well Recipes and a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Apart from the heartwarming essence of the vibrant festival, we all know that modaks form the primary attraction of the festival food. Today we're gonna make the instant pedha version of the modak with the chocolate flavor without using refined sugar. And it takes less than 10 minutes. So let's quickly know the ingredients. You need 200 grams of kava, 2 tablespoons of cacao or cocoa powder. I use the cacao powder since it is raw and less processed. Roughly 5 tablespoons of powdered or grated jaggery, 1 teaspoon of crushed or powdered cardamom. Take a kadhai or a thick bottomed saucepan and start heating the kava on a medium flame. Kava is a solid version of condensed milk, and if you make it at home, it's a bit time consuming. I have occasionally made kava at home, but since it's very time consuming, I usually go for the store-bought one. Add the jaggery and you will notice that the kava will slowly start disintegrating. Start mixing steadily and you'll see that the jaggery and the kava will slowly start blending into each other. Add the cardamom or the elaichi at this point. And continue to mix. At this point, I'm adding the cacao powder. You can use the cocoa powder as usual. At this stage, you can reduce the flame a bit and start mixing more fast. I'm adding crushed pistachios here, and if you're fond of other nuts for garnishing, you may proceed likewise. Our modak mixture is almost done and we'll be putting off the flame in a while. This should be the ideal consistency of the modak mixture so that it can be molded to the desired shape. Put off the flame and allow the mixture to cool. So you get this very sticky and smooth mixture. Right here I'm using a mold for the modak, and I need a bit of ghee to grease my hands and also the insides of the mold. You can also use butter, and the purpose is just to prevent the sticking of the modaks while you're molding them. The mold that you're seeing here is quite big, and if you like, you can use your hands to mold the modaks into your shape. So for each modak, I'll be filling the mold completely with the mixture and then pressing it hard to remove the extras. While unmolding, I'll slowly place the unmolded modak on the tray where I want to serve it. So our modaks are ready, and with this quantity of kava, I've been able to make 4 really huge and gorgeous looking tasty chocolate modaks in just less than 10 minutes. Well, don't they look lovely? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it across your friends. If you're here for the first time, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. I'd also be glad if you visit my website FitBeWell, where I just don't share recipes but also stuff on health, fitness, and parenting. Stay tuned for more healthy recipes coming your way.